All right, so this is one of my most favorite areas to show, and also when I'm looking as a traveler, I look because I have two little minions. When I'm traveling with my family, I want to make sure my kids have an outdoor space to play. Whenever we just need to wear them down and tire them out, it's so important to pay attention to your exterior. So we recently just remodeled some of the exterior, and we're upgrading it even more. Some things to keep in mind and things to look for to put into the place. Number one is a grill. People like to grill when they're here. Again, we talked about the cooking concept. When people are outside, they want to be able to grill. Also, an outdoor lounge. You want people to be able to lounge outside. Sometimes it's hot, they want to be inside. Sometimes it's not, they want to be outside. So what we're trying to do is go with the whole gaming concept too, where I know when I stayed in a beautiful place in Scottsdale with my kids and another family and their kids, they had a ping pong table, cornhole, bags, basketball hoop, volleyball, all of these things. So we're trying to do the same thing here. So we start our exterior remodel soon, where we'll have all of those things and have an indoor-outdoor space. And so that way you can have your little outdoor oasis or paradise or whatever you want to call it. And that's so important to make sure that you're standing out from the others. However, another thing that's important to make sure that you're not just providing for the guests, but you're also respecting the neighbors. That noise-aware technology that I talked about before, you can also get one for the exterior to make sure that if people are outside, that they're not causing too much noise, that you can have rules and set rules in your contract. So I highly recommend putting up privacy and fence and having systems in place to make sure that parking, privacy, and that you're respecting your neighbors that are around you.